what you're going to be needing. I already got it pre-mixed. I mixed natural brown and a little bit of black just to give it this nice brown, brownish color, to get the right color for her. But you're gonna need the oxidant and you're going to need the tint. And then I use some cotton swabs and then of course the brush to get it started. And then you're going to need a model, which I'm dyeing her hair right now, so she has some dye in her hair. And then we're going to do her brows, and then we're going to get them tinted, and then we're going to wax them. So I'm going to do one brow, and then I'm going to let it sit for about 10-15 minutes. I like to let it sit for a little while. Then we're going to show you the results on what it looks like. Look up. Let's see your brows. This is before. Her brows looks like. They're really light, and she doesn't really have the brows, as you can tell. But we're gonna fix that for her. Okay, so I did one brow, and I'm going to show y'all how I do the other one. See if I can do it while she's recording, if it shows without me blocking it. So you get some product on your brush, and it's just like when you're filling in your brow. See what I'm doing. There you go. Okay. And if you mess up a little, that's what you got the cotton swabs for, which I'm going to go back over with the cotton swab to get my mistake. I like to make sure I get a good amount of product on there. Waxing as well, so it will remove some of the product as well once I wax her, and it'll give her more shape. So right now she really doesn't have a shape, but she will have one. So I'm kind of going to create one.
Wow, wow.